Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. A lot of you have disturbed me to make a video on how to find all these exchanges arbitrage. Some of you actually back to my DM asking for this, pleading for this. So I actually want to do this for the sake or for the love I have for you guys as my subscribers. That's why I actually want to drop this one of the crypto software you can actually use to spot out exchanges arbitrage of different exchanges. So without wasting much time, actually let me take you step by step on how you can actually get this done and make money to yourself. Before you even get to this, there are some setups you need to do, and I'm going to show you how this app works and everything. If you are yet to my YouTube channel and you like updates like this, please do well to like and share my video. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification button because you are going to be getting a massive and legit updates like this anytime, any day I post video like this. Okay, I will drop the link on the description, also on the comment section. You can see the interface right here. You can see how it looks like. You can see here 200 arbitrage possibilities. You can see last update. You can see, let me zoom it. You can see where it's showing red, showing you that not real time. You can see where it says subscribe to get full real-time data. I'm going to explain all those things right away. Okay, actually, if you see an arbitrage that you actually want to do, you click on it as a non-subscriber. This is what you are going to see. So you are going to see everywhere blank like this. You are not going to see if there is a possibility to get into the arbitrage, whether the withdrawal is enabled, and all those necessary stuff that could make you to make a successful trade. So that is just the disadvantage of not being a subscriber. So let me show you how you can actually become a subscriber. Then you will be seeing every of these things. They will be listing this for you. This is one of the great program software to use and spot out exchanges arbitrage. So what you need to do is you need to click on where you see subscribe. Let me zoom it again. You can see where it says subscribe to get full and real-time data. All you need to do is to click on here. Once you click on here, you can see the plans here. You can see free package, premium plus one, premium plus 3 months, premium plus one here. In premium here, if you actually subscribe to 1 month premium here, which is actually 10 USD, $10, and you will be doing this app automatically will do all those checkup for you. What you need to do is just to enter and check if you like it. If you like the trade, you can actually enter it. If you don't like the trade, you can actually go and check up another thing. I'm going to show you another thing. So what you need to do, let me show you, take you through on how you can actually access this. What you need to do, if you don't actually have money, you can go for the 1 month premium. At least just try it out. If you benefit from it, I think that will trigger you to actually buy more. So what you need to do is to click on choose plan. I'm going to take you through on how to do this. If you are not living in Indonesia, so you don't have access to Indonesia local payments, you need to use crypto payment, which is USDT. So you click on USDT here. Once you click on USDT, an interface will pop up where you are going to insert all the necessary stuff for you to get successful deposit. So we are waiting for it to pull up. Okay, it has loaded. You can see the payment here. So the payment method here, they actually accept TRC network and ARC network. I will advise you to go for TRC network because of the less fee attached to it. So what you need to do is you click on USDT and click on TRC20 here. Once you click on that, what you need to do is to click on pay here. Once you click on pay, you can see the amount you are actually going to pay, 11.4 USDT. The website is actually going to charge you 1.4 USDT. So for you to live with exact 10 USDT there. So what you need to do is in Binance, when you are sending the money, if you are using Binance or any platform to send the money, what you need to do is to send. If you are going to send like 11.4 to this website, you need to send like 12 USDT to this website. Then from there you can actually set in 11.4 for a successful trade. Okay, so if you don't understand and you still want me to guide you on step by step on how to do this so that you won't make mistake, you need to join my VIP class, and I would actually charge you for that. Okay, so that is the once you are paid. Another thing is you need to click on check transaction, and everything will process and be successful for you to start having real-time updates here. So that is just it. Let me go back and show you another thing. So after everything, after you have purchased your plan, you will have access to everything. But when you are using limited plan, or let me say free plan, you are limited to certain things in this platform. So what you need to do is, if you have purchased your plan, whether it is 1 month, 3 months, or 1 year, you come here to click on filter. Once you click on filter, you can see list of exchanges that are on this platform. So you can select the one you want. You can toggle on either Bybit, OKX, KuCoin, and the rest like this. See what I'm doing? You can see. Just toggle on it like that for you to receive update from those exchanges. Then if you are a beginner and you don't actually have enough money to carry out this arbitrage, all you need to do is to toggle off this Ethereum, because Ethereum is attached to high cash or high withdrawal fee. So you just toggle it off so that you will be left with Binance, BSC, that is BNB, Smart Chain, Matic, and so on. All these one below, they have um a less amount of fee when doing transaction. So you go for that one and grow your money. So as times goes on, you can actually toggle on the Ethereum and start making money from it, because Ethereum needs high capital to start it. Okay, but if you are not a trained trader, you will not know how to carry out arbitrage on Ethereum, because it's very, very tricky at times. So what you need to do is just follow up what I'm telling you and implement it. It's going to work for you. All right, so